avoid sugars completely from your diet, which means you have to avoid your preserved and packaged foods from the diet because they contain maximum sugar. When you talk about preserved and packaged food, you have to eliminate all sort of packaged food like fruit juices, biscuits, etc. How do you suffice the sugar cravings? There are three best sources which you can have and your cravings will be sorted. One is dates, second is prunes, and third is fruits. Go on a moderate protein diet. So when you talk about moderate protein diet, there are two types of proteins. One is non-veg sources and vegetarian sources. In non-veg sources, we all know there are eggs, chicken, and etc. Avoid seafoods though when you talk about the non-veg foods. In veg sources, there are again very few options though. So few of them are milk and milk products. So in milk products also the key source of protein is paneer. Okay, apart from that we have sprouts. So in sprouts, all sort of sprouts contains high proteins. Then we have soya bean, which again you can incorporate in everyday salads or anything.